Hello and welcome to this little video on how to breach MetaMask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. And in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on it. Now you just have to type MetaMask and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown. You just have to click on the search result that says MetaMask. So just click on it and MetaMask interface will be shown to you. And if you have previously or if you are still connected to the MetaMask wallet, then there will be a button called View MetaMask Portfolio. So you just have to click on it and you will be able to access your MetaMask portfolio. And when you have accessed the MetaMask portfolio, you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen, and on the bottom there will be Move Crypto. So you just have to click on the Move Crypto and another sidebar will appear, and on the second last option it says Breeze. So you just have to click on the Breeze, and this section will appear on the right hand side of the screen, and you just need to choose from which network to which. There are a list of network that you can choose from, or the list of the network that you have created or added in your MetaMask wallet. Now you just have to choose the network and to which network. Again you have to choose. Now you just need to choose the token that you want to send, and you just need to choose the token that you want to receive. And after that you just have to click on the confirm button and you will be able to breeze. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.